channel, and this is Jackie of Glitter and Sky. So for today's video, we are going to have a tutorial on how to create beautiful stickers like this using Design Space, Print Then Cut, and using Cricut Machine Explorer Air 2. So without further ado, let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial of creating a pretty, beautiful set of stickers like this. So to begin, let's talk about the Design Space. If you're not familiar with it, Design Space is a Cricut's free software where you can create, design, and send your projects to cut on the machine. And from here, you can either start designing your own stickers or use one of Cricut's pre-made designs. If you're feeling creative, you can create a custom design by adding shapes, text, and images. So once you have decided what project to make, then you can browse to the list of the images available in the Design Space. So there are lots of images available in here. You can access all these images. Once you're subscribed to Cricut, then you can have all these thousands of images. You can pick any image you want and add to Canvas. And once you have added it to your canvas, then you can start resizing them and collecting any images that you want to make in your new canvas. Just feel free to choose any image that you want for your stickers. So after you have decided what sticker collection you want to add in your sticker sheet, then you can go and hit the canvas. And from your canvas, you can then resize your stickers to the desired size that you want. But for me, I would always choose to have my stickers in a 2 inches or less than 2 inches size of stickers. And once you have resized them, then we can go and fit them in to the sticker sheet that we would later go print, and then we would cut. So after we have resized all the images that we're going to put in the sticker sheet, then it's time for us to hide each one of them. We need to hide them so it would be easier for us to offset the images later when we will put them into the sticker sheet, and it would be a lot of easier for us. So go ahead and just hide them. And then after that, you can click now the shapes. And in this window, there are lots of shapes available, but in this project, we need the rectangle. And the rectangle, for the sticker sheet, we have to change the size of the rectangle into 6.75 in width and 9.25 in height. So this is the custom size of the sticker sheet, so we can make the print then cut. And as you notice, it's black. So what would I do? I would always change the color into white. So it would be easier for us to fit them in the stickers or the images that we have chosen, and then choose the print and cut. So now we can now unhide each of the stickers that we have hidden earlier, and then click the arrange button and click bring to front. So the image should be in the front of the sticker sheet. And then once you have arranged the image, then you can now start to do the offset. In the offset window, there is a size of the background or the white background that you want to appear in your image. So for me, I would always want the background for the offset to be a little smaller, and I don't want it big, so I would always resize the white background as the offset. So for the sticker, I want it a little smaller, so just click the offset and then change the size of the background. And then once you have decided, then you can now click apply and change the color to white, and then click the contour button so you can hide all the contours. And after this, you can flatten the image. So just highlight and then click flatten, and then now you can fit it into the sticker sheet. So you will do the same thing for the rest of your images. Just open the hidden images and then offset and choose the background or the size of the background that you want. So now when we are done doing the offset for all of the stickers, then it's time for us to highlight all the stickers within the sticker sheet and then click flatten. And then once the sticker sheet have been flattened, then you can click now the make button so we can print the whole image in the sticker sheet. Just click make, and then the window will pop up from your design space, and then click continue, and then click send to printer, and then next. And then here you will see use the system dialog. Click it, and then prepare printing the image. And then after that, you can choose the button for media and quality and choose best. So it will print in the best quality of the sticker, and then it will prompt you to the window where you will click done. And then it will now go directly to your printer. Just make sure that your printer is connected to the Bluetooth with your design space, and the image that we have chosen should be in the best quality. So we are expecting like the image to be in the best color and best quality as possible. So when it's done printing, now we can prepare our Cricut mat. Then you can stick your sticker sheet onto the Cricut mat, and you can use your Cricut tool to flatten the sticker sheet onto the mat using the brayer roller. So once you have flattened it, then you can now customize the Cricut machine. In this case, I customize it to the vinyl because I use the vinyl as my sticker sheet. And then once you have customized it, and then it will prepare to scan. The machine will be scanning the image, and then just click the button, and then the machine will now start to scan the image. So now you can click the button of the machine to start the scanning. Once it loaded the mat, then the machine will start now the scanning of the sticker sheet. As you can see in the sticker sheet, there are 4 corner lines. This is where the Cricut machine or the sensor is scanning the line. But oftentimes there are troubles in scanning the image, especially when you are using a glossy paper, because it reflects the light, and the sensor of the machine is having the hard time to scan the whole image or the whole sticker sheet. So usually I use the hack of making the lines less visible, or the light would less reflect the sensor. So what I would do is use a adhesive tape, like a matte type of adhesive tape, and then I would stick it onto the 4 corner lines, so the Cricut machine or the sensor would be easier to scan the whole image, and the light will be reflecting less with the sensor. So once the Cricut machine have scanned the whole image or the whole sticker sheet, then it will now start to cut all the stickers. I will also do some tutorials in my next videos on how to calibrate your Cricut machine, because if you will not calibrate your Cricut machine, then it will not cut like make a perfect cut for all your images. So on our next videos, then I will make a tutorial on how to calibrate your Cricut machine. So once the machine have cut all your images in your sticker sheet, then it will start to unload the mat. So just click the button, and then it will unload the mat. So here you can see that I put the adhesive tape onto the 4 corners of the sticker sheet, so it won't reflect the Cricut machine sensor. And then you can now peel off your sticker sheet from the Cricut mat using your Cricut tool. Just peel it off gently, and there you go. We have now the sticker sheet that we have created. So this is a kiss cut type of sticker. So there you go, friends. I hope you enjoy our video tutorial for today. Till next time, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.